Let's take a look at the Simder Seahorse welding grip. Now, this one is supposed to be way more ergonomic than your old standard style Stinger here. And to release your rod, you simply open it up right here. But I've got their Simder 200 arc welder, and I'm going to get this one off and this one on, and we will try it out and see what I think. But it does feel pretty comfortable in the hand. It's a total different design, and you can see how the rod fits in there, but we'll try it out and see how it does. All right, got the little Simder Seahorse installed. You can see, super comfortable. It's kind of a little different in your hand, but it's really comfortable and feels pretty ergonomic. You can see you've got your different choices for how you want your electrode or your rod to sit in there. Have it like so, straight, like that, depending on what position you're welding in. But it seems to work really well, so we'll see if we can run a little bead with it. This is really comfortable in your hand. It's a little different than using a regular Stinger, but I think I like it better, and I think once you get used to it, I think it's really going to be better. This is really pretty nice.